case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
A landmark case revolving around the issue of corporal punishment in the United States found its way into the United States District Court for the Middle District of North Carolina in 1975. Baker v. Owen. The lawsuit sparked when a sixth grader, Russell Carl Baker, was paddled by his school official for throwing kickballs at inappropriate times. This occurred despite Russell's mother, Mrs. Baker, explicitly instructing the school against the use of physical punishment on her son. Mrs. Baker contended that her parental rights had been neglected, while Russell Carl Baker held that he was denied fair treatment and bore the brunt of cruel and unusual punishment. Moreover, they asserted that the state statute allowing corporal punishment in schools was unconstitutional due to its violation of parental consent and lack of adequate procedural safeguards. The lower court's decision, deeming the force used as reasonable and the authority as lawful, didn't stand up in the higher court due to the lack of procedural due process. Subsequently, Mrs. Baker appealed, taking the case to the district court. Here, the court held North Carolina General Statutes Section 115, 146 constitutional but voiced concerns about its execution. The court stressed that the implementation of the statute without due process was in violation of the 14th Amendment. It suggested crucial modifications, including an advance notice to the student and parental notification to ensure compliance with the amendment. The court eventually concluded that Russell Carl's punishment wasn't cruel or unusual, holding that North Carolina schoolchildren have a protected interest under the 14th Amendment to evade corporal punishment, and that corporal punishment could be employed in public schools provided the force used was reasonable. In the light of these findings, it threw the onus on the state to further clarify requirements for maintaining fairness.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind, leave the stress of class.